It's hot in Atlanta. Y'all, try this. It works. I'm trying to tell you, a bitch is hot. It's hot. What's up, beauty gang? It's your girl Brianna's Beauty. I'm back with another video. So part of being beautiful is being healthy and in shape. Okay, so this quarantine has got a bitch super thick, a little too thick for my liking. So we're gonna do this workout while we're on quarantine. I'm outside so I can sweat a little bit more. It is in my bad. It is hot in Atlanta. I mean hot Atlanta. So I seen Gotdamnzo do this video. I love it, by the way. Shout out to you, boo. And I want to try it. I want to do the sexy ratchet ass workout. Let's get it poppin'. Y'all should try it for real.
Okay, ladies. Nigga, I thought this was gonna be easy. It's not. But we're gonna make this ratchet and sexy. Holy Tony and those, okay? And like ain't nobody watching. Get your homegirl. Feel yourself. Feel yourself. Whoa. Feel yourself. Whoa. Feel yourself. Whoa. Feel yourself. Whoa. Feel yourself. Just stay with me. Yeah. Warm up. Here we go. Breathe in. Breathe in. Y'all ready, ladies? Here we go. Left, right, left, right. We for the kick, ladies. Turn that kick, just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Kick, just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Go back to that left, left. Come on, ladies. Yeah. You go. Kick. Turn that kick, just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Left side, kick, just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Take a break now. Take a break. See? I hope you're not sweating, I hope you're not sweating, You're about to get back in there, I need you to get down, jump in, okay, jump again. If you're asking, you ready? You're just doing too sexy. Here we go. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, yeah. You better jump. You better jump. You better jump. You better. Now we got one side. This time, kick your heels up. That's left foot, right foot. Now we're gonna go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did good, my friend. Take a little breath. Take a breath. Take a breath. Come on. Stretch left side. Wow. Right. Stretch right side. Everywhere. Stretch right now. Stand up. Stand straight up. Inhale. Here we go. Okay. Left, right. You better. You kick that. Here we go. Turn that kick. Just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Left side now. Kick. Just like that. Here we go. Go back to that left, right, left.
Dance like a stripper.
Yeah, you ready? Here we go. Turn that kick. Just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Left side now. Kick. Just like that. Make sure you're using your hip. Take a break now.
Woo! Hot.
Yeah. Hot. Now we doing high climbers. Yeah. Put your hands on the floor. Here we go. You ready? 25. Don't give up on it. You got this. Come on. 1. Let me distract you while you doing it.
That was a
I ain't
workout.
tired, y'all. Well,
We did it.
like I always say, God only made one you. And if you don't be you, then nobody else will. Bitch, I am tired.
Woo. Brianna Beauty Babies. Y'all, that was a workout and that was take 2 for me. Bitch is motherfucking tired. Okay. So as I said, we're trying to lose this weight. I got a trip in July. Gotta get this weight off, this quarantine weight. Can't stay here. Whew. It's hot in Atlanta. Y'all, try this. It works. I'm trying to tell you, a bitch is tired. It's hot. Try this. It's super fun. It's super cute. I love it. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all next video.